Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup blog, and today I am going to be showing you some extra Ipsy add-ons that I got recently. For a moment I thought this was my February Ipsy Glam bag, but no, I think they just sent ahead my add-ons from the prior month, so they came in with this bag, which I thought was really awesome. So let's see what's inside. Put on my trusty reading glasses here so I can see what I'm looking at. Read the fine print actually. The first thing I have in here is from Glow Recipe, and this is their Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. Look at that. Is that gorgeous or what? And it does smell a little bit like bananas, but it's not overt. So I'll show you. It's like a souffle. It's like very bouncy. Can you see that? Yeah. Let's put it on my nose. Yeah, but it doesn't have that overt scent of banana, which is nice. It feels very creamy, very smooth, light as air, really. Almost like if you had, you know, beaten the whites of an egg together and added food coloring. That's what it feels like. What's the next thing in here? This is from Verb, and this is their curl cream for the hair. Love it, love it, love it. I like that brand. So far, this is really small. This is from R&Co, and this is their Waterfall. And this is a Moisture and Shine edition, Moisture and Shine Lotion. So I'm wondering if this is for the hair. Waterfall. R&Co's brand, it just smells so good. Oh yeah. I will put the description of what it is somewhere here. Again, these are all a part of the add-on sale that I think I got back in January. This is from the company Banila, B-A-N-I-L-A, and this is their cleansing balm, the original one. I have a big one too, and it's delicious. So this is going to be my travel one. I'll take it with me when I'm traveling. A little goes a long way. It's a solid balm. You put it on, a little here, 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 here. You know, the fine points. And it wipes away the makeup. It does the job. Love cleansing balms. That concentration is the fact that it's not liquid, that it could accidentally spill out or ruin your travel bag. It's just awesome. The next thing I have here is also from R&Co, and this is called Sail Soft Wave Spray. Perfect, because that's my hair. Soft and wavy, that's the way I want it. It's wavy hair. I would like it to be soft, non-frizzy, and non-fuzzy. So I am loving this, and it looks like it comes in sort of like a spray. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. Oh, that smells good. But again, if you're not into scents, R&Co may not be for you, because like they tend to scent everything they have. It smells really good. Okay, I think the last of what I ordered as add-ons is coming up. Let's see. Yes. What is this? This is from Polaar, the company, P-O-L-A-A-R. And this looks like it's a lotion. It says La Véritable Crème de... Ooh, okay, I'm gonna put that right there. I will post the true name somewhere here. My French is not good. That's a shame. This looks like a lip balm. Maybe it's a lip balm. Yeah, that has to be. Let's see how that looks. Yep, there we go. It looks fairly clear. I don't know if you can see that. It does have a scent. It's not too bad. It smells kind of, it does feel like the texture of petroleum. You know, that unmistakable sticky sliminess in a way. So if you're not into that kind of sensation, this may not be for you. but okay. And then I have from It Cosmetics a primer there. Look, a primer. And this is their primer. It's oil free. It's supposed to be all day wear. You see that? It's a small sample. And that's it, my friends. This probably came with one of the sets as part of the kit, and I'm not remembering which one, but I am really liking that. And I love that they all fit in there. It's like kind of an oversized or a mega size of an Ipsy bag. What do you think of my add-ons from January? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.